7 Recipes for Healthier School Lunches. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Are you trying to whip up healthy and tasty meal for your little ones or yourself? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Whether you prefer colorful salads, satisfying wraps, or quick and easy snacks, we've got it covered. Get ready to shake up your school lunch routine with these amazing recipes. So sit back and relax, and get ready to take your lunch game to the next level. Number 1. Vegan Summer Spinach and Corn, 240 calories. Vegan summer spinach and corn is a nutritious and refreshing recipe, perfect for a healthy back-to-school lunch. With just 240 calories, it provides a light yet satisfying meal option. This dish is packed with fresh spinach and corn, offering an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Spinach is rich in iron folate and vitamin K, while corn provides antioxidants and dietary fiber. The combination of these ingredients promotes good digestion, boosts energy levels, and supports overall well-being. The dressing made from lemon juice, olive oil, and herbs adds a tangy flavor and healthy fats. This recipe is not only delicious, but also has a great way to incorporate nutrient-rich vegetables into your diet. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups fresh spinach leaves, 1 cup cooked sweet corn kernels, 1 small red onion thinly sliced, 1 small cucumber diced, 1 small tomato diced, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons olive oil, fresh herbs such as basil or parsley chopped, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a vegan summer spinach and corn. Number 2. White bean and avocado, 280 calories. White bean and avocado is a healthy and satisfying recipe that makes for a perfect back-to-school lunch. With just 280 calories, it provides a well-balanced meal option packed with nutrients. This dish combines creamy and avocado and protein-rich white beans, offering a good source of fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based protein. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health, while white beans provide a good amount of folate, iron, and potassium. This recipe helps to keep you full and energized throughout the day, promoting focus and concentration in school. Additionally, the combination of flavors and textures makes it a delicious and nourishing choice. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 can, 15 ounces of white beans, rinsed and drained, 1 ripe avocado diced, 1 small red onion finely chopped, 1 small bell pepper diced, 1 small cucumber diced, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons olive oil, fresh cilantro or parsley chopped, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a white bean and avocado. Number 3. Goat cheese with vegetables, 280 calories. Goat cheese with vegetables is a wholesome and tasty recipe that makes for a healthy back-to-school lunch. With only 270 calories, it offers a satisfying and nutritious option. This dish combines creamy goat cheese with a variety of colorful vegetables, providing a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Goat cheese is a good source of protein and calcium, while vegetables like cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and bell peppers offer essential nutrients and fiber. This recipe promotes satiety, supports bone health, and helps to keep energy levels steady throughout the day. The combination of flavors and textures makes it a delightful and nourishing choice for a school lunch. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups mixed salad greens, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 small cucumber sliced, 1 small bell pepper thinly sliced, 2 ounces goat cheese crumbled, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, fresh basil leaves chopped, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a goat cheese with vegetables. In number 4, tuna and veggie, 290 calories. Tuna and veggie is a nutritious and low-calorie recipe that makes for a healthy back-to-school lunch. With just 290 calories, it offers a balanced and filling meal option. This dish combines protein-rich tuna with a variety of colorful vegetables, providing essential nutrients and flavors. Tuna is an excellent source of lean protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, while vegetables like lettuce, carrots, and cherry tomatoes offer vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This recipe supports muscle repair, promotes brain health, and offers to keep you energized throughout the day. It's a convenient and delicious choice for a nutritious lunch. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 can 5-ounce tuna drained, 2 cups mixed salad greens or lettuce, 1 small carrot grated, 1 small cucumber sliced, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making tuna and veggie. Number 5. Homemade egg, 300 calories. Homemade egg is a nutritious and filling recipe that makes for a healthy back-to-school lunch. With approximately 300 calories, it provides a good balance of protein and essential nutrients. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, and selenium. They help in muscle repair, support brain function, and promote overall growth and development. This recipe allows for customization with various vegetables and herbs, providing additional vitamins, fiber, and flavors. Homemade eggs are a convenient and versatile lunch option that will keep you satiated and focused throughout the day. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup chopped vegetables such as bell pepper, onion, spinach, or mushrooms, salt and pepper to taste, cooking spray or a small amount of oil for greasing the pan. And here are the instructions for making a homemade egg. Number 6. Delicious tuna and egg salad, 320 calories. Delicious tuna and egg salad is a flavorful and nutritious recipe that makes for a healthy back-to-school lunch. With approximately 320 calories, it offers a satisfying and protein-rich meal option. This salad combines the goodness of tuna, hard-boiled eggs, and a variety of vegetables, providing a balance of nutrients and flavors. Tuna is an excellent source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, while eggs offer high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. The addition of vegetables like lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber boosts the fiber content and provides essential vitamins and antioxidants. This recipe supports muscle repair, promotes satiety, and helps to sustain energy levels throughout the school day. It's a delicious and wholesome choice for a healthy lunch. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 can tuna drained, 2 hard-boiled eggs chopped, 2 cups mixed salad greens or lettuce, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 small cucumber sliced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a delicious tuna and egg salad. Number 7. Easy Greek salad, 230 calories. Easy Greek salad is a light and refreshing recipe that makes for a healthy back-to-school lunch. With just 230 calories, it provides a nutritious and flavorful option. This salad features a combination of fresh vegetables, tangy feta cheese, and a simple dressing, offering a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The ingredients such as cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, and olives provide hydration, fiber, and essential nutrients. Feta cheese adds a creamy texture and is good for a good source of calcium. The dressing made with olive oil and lemon juice enhances the flavors and provides healthy fats. This recipe promotes overall well-being, supports digestion, and keeps you energized throughout your day. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups mixed salad greens or lettuce, 1 small cucumber sliced, 1 small tomato diced, 1/4 cup sliced red onion, 1/4 cup Kalamata olives pitted, 2 ounces feta cheese crumbled, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, fresh oregano leaves, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making an easy Greek salad. And that concludes our list of 7 recipes for healthier school lunches. Do you happen to know any healthy school lunches recipe that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!